Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sartucci here, and I've got another unboxing video. And this box is pretty heavy. With all the orders that we're getting in and so forth, we are really looking at, you need a face mask, boss. So, we're really looking at how much gear we can bring in, how much gear we can manufacture per hour and so forth. So while I'm waiting for some custom molds to get built, I'm having to order these other molds just so we can ramp up production on the amount of each of the certain weights that we're doing. So let's see what we got in this box. And yeah.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta line. I'ma call up the whole team.
Alright, so every time. I'll be right with you guys. So this is 1 ounce coin and 1.5. Same thing. And we got the pyramid 2 ounce right there. Same thing. Also ordered some brass eyelets because we were actually out of these. Yep. And these are 1 pound bags, so the brass eyelets, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags. And that's because I already ordered 25 pounds from another company that they end up closing for 10 days. Annoyed. Luckily, I went ahead and ordered this one from this company so we can at least get parts and materials in. And yep, that's a lot of molds. So now I got to get them to the back so my guys can get to pouring more quantity. Yes. So, yeah. And just to give you an idea of what this ones are. Just gonna get it opened up real quick. Come on, this is so we can pour 3 2-ounce pyramids. I've got 10 molds. So, yep. And these were the coin weights over here. Yep. That's gonna be a lot of lead getting poured out. It's truly exciting for us, so stay tuned. And I've got an HXW Raptor, and we've got the 130 pound Generation 3 Hollow Core here. And I'm doing this video because I don't think I've done a 130 with the Gen 3 yet. So we'll find out what kind of line capacity we're gonna get on this one, because they do want it maxed out. So let's see what we can do there. Yes, sir. Crazy is, I think they even coat this white, and the Spectre's supposed to be naturally white, but I think they still coat it like with the coloring or whatever, because it should be real supple and soft. This stuff ain't. It feels like it. You know how like you paint a house and you get it on a rack and it dries up and it's kind of that hardness?
Yeah.
That's what it feels like.
Good or bad?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good or bad?
Well, that's what I'm saying. That's why you probably won't get a crazy line capacity on this. But I'm about to find out. Thinking if they didn't do that, it would pack more lines. You know? It's not like the bearing's about to go out.
Does it?
You hear it?
Maybe they just need it greased. Maybe it just needs some love. So my grandpa always said, if they start making some noise, just give them some love.
TLC. All right, so I've covered up the bevel right at 68 yards. So we'll put a few more on, call it an even 70 to cover up the bevel. And so you see what's also going to make the difference. This is a single speed. Normally when I do the hollow core and I do them in a low gear, so that way I can stack it on real nice and tight. I don't gap out as much. But because it's spinning so fast, it's going to gap out a little more than it normally would and stuff like that. So.
Yeah.
200 yards. 400 yards. 500. Okay, right here I've got about that much gap on it. And if you look through the front right here, you can see underneath it.
Yeah.
You still want more line?
Maybe like
50 yards? Not
yeah,
enough.
maybe like 40 or 25 yards. I don't know.
I'll go to 20. We'll stop there and we'll just take it little by little.
That's good, bro.
Right there.
Yeah. What are we at?
We're at 520 yards.
That's cool.
Good. All right. So right here I've got about quarter inch of spool exposure from the top end of the bevel of the housing, but I'm almost flush with the spool housing right here on the side. So yeah, I would say it would take the 600 if I overfilled it, but no, right there. Good to go. At least you got some braid for later.
Yeah. I'll fill the rest on my MXL that's missing a little bit.
Oh, because you had that cut in bars that it
Yeah, popped off offshore.